Some more, man. Is the hype dead? This is crazy. Alpha Boost going for, what, 65? Got night joggers. Going for 50 bucks, man. 30 bucks. 30 bucks. I found the most expensive sneakers I've ever seen at the outlets. Some 4Ds. Going for $3.50. It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. What's going on, you guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope you guys are killing it, doing whatever the hell you guys are doing. Hope you guys are succeeding and doing it, you guys. Hope you guys are doing it. We are still at the Citadel Outlet. Just hit up the Nike Outlet. Yeah, we're gonna do Adidas. Let's go see what's up, you guys. See what's up. Let's continue with the most packed outlets ever. Let's go check out the Adidas Outlet. I have gotten some crazy deals here. So let's see what happens. All right, we bought something the last time I went to an Adidas Outlet, and actually they look like they got way more boost here. Look at that. I see all kinds of boosts. Oh yeah. Let's go see what's up. Ultra Boost 2019s, man. They clearancing them all out since the 2020s are coming out. Damn, 90 bucks. More for 90 bucks. More for 90. Damn, they're still coming, you guys. All white, go for 90. And then more, go for 90, man. I think that's the last one, dude. But that's a crazy selection. And a lot of them are full-size runs. Most of them are. Not bad. Oh, wait, they got more. They got more. Next section. I've never seen so many Ultra Boosts on sale. Nice. Did I get this colorway? Dang, some more Ultra Boost 2019s. Some more, man. Is the hype dead? This is crazy. I think this is officially the last one. Is the hype dead though, man? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Sense Boost. Kind of like a Pure Boost Goes. But yeah, they're going for 60 bucks, man. 60 bucks. $50 for these. Sense Boost Go Limited. Yeah, that's what's up. 50 bucks, man. These going for 60. Dang. Still continuing. That's what's up. These are going for 70. These, what are these? The Pulse Boost HD. Kind of seem very similar. Good price. Alpha Bounce. Alpha Boost, my bad. Alpha Boost going for, what, 65? That's what's up. Alpha Boost. More Alpha Boost. These go for 75, I think, yeah. A little bit more, but not bad though. Not terrible. Last colorway of the Alpha Boost. 65 for these. Marquee Boost Lows. Marquee Boost Lows, man. Go for 110, 55. What's that? 55? So underrated. 55 bucks, man. Sense Boost Go Winters. These are kind of like the I don't want to compare everything to Nike, but kind of the Shield version of the Nike shoes. But yeah, full length boost. Dang, that's a fat stack too. They're comfortable as hell. 60 bucks, man. 60 bucks. That's a steal right there. Got night joggers. Going for 50 bucks, man. Interesting colorway. But yeah, full length boost. Got a little stability plate thingy right there. Alright. Not really for jogging though. These are total casual shoes. 50 bucks. More night joggers. 50 bucks. More night joggers. Damn, some Ultra Boost parlays, man. I've been looking for these bad boys. Not in my size though, man. I need to look for these. I need to see where these are. 50 bucks for those, man. I need to see where those are. Some Torsion X. What the hell? This looks like a POD with boost everywhere. That's like weird. Separate stacks of boost, but it is full length boost. Funky looking. 180 plus 30% off. What's that? 90 bucks? Kind of pricey. Damn. More than the Ultra Boost? That's crazy. How is the clearance section? How is the clearance section so much better than the one in Bakersfield? I'm gonna start messing with that one. Marquee Boost right here. We saw those in the sale out, so it's probably gonna be the same price. Some marathons. 30 bucks. 30 bucks. We already got some of these for 30 bucks. So. Got marathons flying out the sky or something. They're all over the ground right here. What's this going for? What are these going for? 35. These. Oh no, 40 bucks. My bad. Why are these going for 40 and those go for 30? Still not bad. Still not bad. We got Marquee Boost right here going for 40 bucks. We got a pair of those. I think it's the same colorway too. 40 bucks. What the hell? Look at this Ultra Boost. 108. And I believe it's 50% off. So that's what, $54 for some Ultra Boost? Holy crap. Oh shit. Alright, I went to one of the workers and they said These are priced at 108. These are $89.99. So these aren't 50% off. I think all the other stuff here is 50% off though. Man, y'all messing with me, man. Y'all messing with me. I found the most expensive sneakers I've ever seen at the outlets. Some 4Ds for $350. Get 30% off, 50% off at least. Ugly as hell though, and they're heavy. Crazy. Y'all know I can't neglect the women's section. 90 bucks, man, 90 bucks. 2019s, Ultra Boost 2019s. Second one, 2019s. Ultra Boost 2019s, man. They clearing them all out. I've never seen so many Ultra Boost 2019. That's crazy. At the outlets. More 2019s. They just keep coming, man. There's so many. Got some more 2019, 90 bucks still. Still going. More for 2019, you guys, or more for 90 bucks. Ultra Boost 2019. Still going. Let's see if there's some more. Yep, more on the backside. Look at this. 2019s, Ultra Boost 2019s, 90 bucks. Still going. This is the penultimate one. Second to last. That is the last one. I'm pretty sure this one's going for 90 bucks too, man. It's crazy in here, so everything's probably getting taken off. 90 bucks, man. That's crazy. Dang, even the OG Ultra Boost, man, getting some sale action. 90 bucks, man. Still getting that sale, not bad. 90 bucks. Some more OG ones. Are these all white or is this all white? Oh, this is a Game of Thrones one. Still going for 90 bucks. Damn, that's what's up. All white ones. Damn, that's what's up, man. Sales are crazy today. I think these are going for 50. Dang, still people still messing with NMDs? I don't know, the upper seems pretty decent. The upper seems pretty decent. It's got that prime net, I think, right? But I don't know. Still people messing with NMDs. I don't know. I don't know. 50 bucks though. Still cheap. I'm not about the hype, so if you like them, 50 bucks, man. More going for 50. Crazy deals, man. Crazy deals today. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Okay, we'll keep them coming. 65. Got some more laceless ones. Yeah, still going for 50 bucks. This one's 50. Some of the other ones are 65. This one's 50. Old school is going for 40. More Continentals going for 40. This is crazy. That's the crazy thing. We just hit up the Bakersfield outlets for the Adidas, and they had nothing compared to this place. What the hell? How is this only a few miles away? All right, maybe like 50 miles away, but how is it that much of a difference? That's just insane, you guys. Insane. Adidas, man, I've been giving up on you guys, but this is nuts. This is nuts. See, they did have these on the wall, so these are still going. These are in the clearance section, but they're still going for $98. Pure Boost goes. I don't even think they make these anymore, but yeah, 90 bucks, 45% off. PODs, size 10.5 for women, going for 80 bucks. Let me go check out some of the smaller sizes. More Pure Boost goes. Pretty cool colorway. 90 bucks, 30% off. 50% off, damn. There's really not much other in terms of Boost. There are some other stuff, but I'm gonna try to hit up a couple more outlets, so we're gonna call it a day right here. I told you this is the most packed outlet, or the most packed outlet center in Los Angeles. Look at this. And you know the crazy thing is, that's only the first part of the line. There's actually 2 separate lines of the same crowd. Look at this. That's on the other side right there, with their own set of cash registers. Man, this is crazy. Crazy. Look at this place, man. Look at this place. It's because they got deals, man. They got deals. All right, we're out, you guys. We are done. I don't think I've seen so many Ultra Boost on sale. That is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen so many Ultra Boosts on sale at the Adidas Outlet. So that was crazy. That's a solid deal, you guys. I haven't gone to Adidas I stopped going to the Adidas Outlets, to be really honest, because they just haven't come up with nothing dope. But yeah, man, those prices were amazing, you guys. So yeah, you guys jumped off the boost train. Yeah, you guys might want to get back on at those prices, man. Pretty crazy. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and press that like button. If you do enjoy my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. And make sure you turn them notifications on so you guys know when the next videos come out. Because I do try to drop one every day. Do try to drop it at 8 in the morning every day, but my internet's been tripping. The upload speeds have been slow, so yeah, we're getting through it. We're getting through it, you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys, all you guys supporting, all you guys subscribing and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Damn, did you guys know they have a Mitchell & Ness factory outlet? This is the people that make dope jerseys and stuff. Let's go see what's up. Look at that, man. Look at that. The regular prices are pretty high, but look, it's not bad. Up to though. Hold up, up to. Well, we got that fine print right there. Hold up. Up to meaning 0. What the fuck? What's wrong with this place, man? Oh, there's stuff. It shows regular prices. It doesn't show any sale prices. What the heck? All right, I just talked to the people up there. All the NBA and NFL stuff, 30% off. So 30% off. This is what? $56 for the USA warm-ups. That's pretty dope. USA warm-ups. Got the U-wing. Got Mullen. Leitner. What the hell? What the hell they got Leitner for? In Stockton. Okay. Okay. Oh, what the hell? They got the leftovers or something. I don't know why they would have Leitner there. These all going for 70, so it's at 50. 59? Is that $59? So $21 off? Okay. And my math is all slow. Okay, they got all the Chinese throwback jerseys. Okay. So Warriors? I don't know. I'm assuming it says Warriors. 140. Get that 30% off. That's not bad. Got that Vince Carter right there. You know that's dope. Yeah, I think that's all the same price. 130. Vince Carter. Toronto Raptors. That's dope. Isaiah Thomas. Olajuwon All-Star. That's pretty dope. Mike Bibby, who I hear has one of the dopest, most extensive sneaker collections ever in the history of sneakers. Mike Bibby, not bad. Throwback LeBron. Mutombo. And then Iverson. I'll go for like 130. Get that 30% off though. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. They do got a bunch of hats, but it is all adjustable. I'm not a fan of those adjustable hats. But yeah, what they go for though? I'm doing it for you guys, not necessarily for me. $30 for $21. Well, that's solid. That's solid for Mitchell & Ness though. Damn, that was a surprise. That's pretty dope. Mitchell & Ness. I didn't know they have stores, man, especially with sales, man. That's what's up. All right, I was gonna go check out Puma. I don't think it's happening because I still gotta stop by one more outlet, man. Spent a good amount of time. That Mitchell & Ness, man, that was pretty dope. I definitely didn't expect to see one of those. 30% off all their stuff. That's pretty dope. That's definitely dope. And then, yeah, them Ultra Boost deals. Them Ultra Boost deals are nuts. $90 for those, but even all the other Boost deals, dude. They had all them other Boost sales. They had all them other Boost sneakers for really cheap, you know? That $50 Boost. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and press that like button. Make sure you support your boy. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button. And if you've been watching my videos and you've been watching for quite some time, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button, you know, and press that notification button so you know when the newest videos come out. Most of you guys know I do try to put out a video every day, whether it's shopping videos, shoe review videos, and all that stuff. So yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead, continue to watch. Appreciate you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.